Best part of the job, putting our finishing touches. Put your name on the fence. Thank you, AJ.
You're welcome.
And here's dogwood home in white is the fence. And to note how we do things a little differently, if you look at the latch, that is a strike plate. That right there is metal. Goes around, wraps around. And then your striker bar gets screwed into that. And there's a doorstop. So you've got double support against that breaking off in high winds or slamming. And see that strike plate? Beautiful thing. And that takes up all the pressure from that closing. A lot of guys don't do that, and it ends up cracking at the striker bar.